In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add items to your shopping cart on Amazon. To begin, open Amazon in your web browser or in the Amazon app, then sign in to your account. Make sure you are logged in before you start shopping, because this helps Amazon save the items you add to your cart and makes the process smoother from the start. Once you are signed in, go to the search bar at the top of the page. This is where you can search for the item you want to buy. You can type in the product name, the brand, or even a general category if you are still browsing. Try to be specific with your search if you want faster and more accurate results. When the search results appear, look through the list and click on the item you want. This will open the product page. Before adding anything to your cart, take a moment to review the important details. Check the price, read the reviews, and confirm any product information such as size, color, style, or other available options. This is helpful because many products come in different versions, and you want to make sure you are selecting the right one. On the product page, find the Add to Cart button. Click it once to add the item to your shopping cart. If the item has variations, such as a different size or color, you may need to choose your preferred option first. In many cases, the Add to Cart button will not become available until those selections are made. After the item is added, Amazon will usually confirm that it has been placed in your cart. At that point, you can continue shopping if you want to add more items, or you can click the shopping cart icon, which is usually located in the top right corner of the page, to open your cart and review everything you have selected. Inside your shopping cart, you can make changes before checking out. You can increase or decrease the quantity of an item, remove something you no longer want, or simply review your selections one more time. When you are ready, you can move on to checkout from that same cart page. That is the full process for adding items to your shopping cart on Amazon. It is quick, simple, and easy to repeat whenever you shop. That covers everything you need to know.